I think there's 2 levels of delegation, and you can get really rich doing just level 1, which is the easy level of delegation. It's the tasks. You're going to tell somebody what to do. Hey, get on this lawnmower and drive it. Get in this box truck and drive it. And then there's the second level of delegation, which is decisions. I need somebody else to be able to make decisions. That's the hard level. And I'll tell you, you can build a business to several $1 million a year where every decision comes to you. Nobody else in your company makes any decisions. It's not really a great way to live, but I've seen people make generational wealth. They've made millions of dollars by only delegating tasks and never once delegating the actual decision making. I got this monkey on the back thing that I talk about with decisions. Some of you might have heard about it or read about it. Every time an employee comes to me in my business with a decision to make or a problem, they've got a monkey on their back. It's a problem. They got to solve it. Me, before I knew what I was doing, I would say, hey, okay, give me that problem and get out of here. I'm going to solve it. The monkey would jump off of their back and get on my desk. Now it was my problem. Sure enough, right when that employee left, another employee came in with another monkey on their back. Hey, I got a problem. I got a decision to make. What do? I'd say, oh yeah, I'll handle it. Get out of here. At the end of the day, this is what my office looked like. I had a bunch of problems, and I couldn't stop work until 10 or 11 o'clock at night because I was solving all of my employees' problems. Turns out that decision-making and problem-solving is a muscle, and if you tell all your employees, get out of my way, I'll solve it. It's the easy way. It definitely is quicker. I can do the job better. I can solve this problem quicker. It definitely is more work to teach that employee how to solve the problem and what to do about their monkey. But in the long run, having employees that can solve their own problems is the only way that you can actually delegate and step out of a business.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.